Welcome to Happy Gardener. It has been quite some time, so we have got a new upload of the video. Look at this beautiful flower. It's really beautiful. It's one of the biggest huge flowers you can find around, and it's called angel's trumpet. Every part of this plant is toxic. This belongs to family of Datura, Umetta in Telugu. So whatever the Datura can cause, in fact you can see the seeds of that Umetta or Datura. For this it's very rare to see them. Even the seeds are also considered to be thorny and then very toxic. So this blooms in the night, just like Brahmakamalam. So one should catch its real beauty in the night only. But by the time it comes to the morning, actually all the things, all the leaves, all the petals basically would actually shrink. So one must watch this after say 10 p.m. and if you just walk past this plant, you get a beautiful, you can say wonderful smell. It's a different smell. Some people may like it, some people may not like it. I hope you enjoy this video. Like this video, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to this channel. Keep watching this channel.